Imagine being able to lift a massive log one moment and gently pluck a delicate flower the next. That's the magic of an elephant's trunk, a marvel of muscle and sensitivity. Packed with up to 40,000 muscles, this versatile appendage acts as both a powerhouse and an incredibly precise tool. Elephants use their trunks to drink, communicate, and even create intricate art with paintbrushes. Their sense of touch is so refined they can feel the subtle texture of a single leaf. It's a perfect blend of might and finesse, unmatched in the animal kingdom.